how to sign in to Hotmail email account. So if you want to sign in to Hotmail email account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Hotmail email login. Once you've searched, here you will have your Hotmail, right? Hotmail is now outlook.com. So you can simply go for sign in, which is here on the bottom left. And once you click on sign in, you need to enter your email address on the first blank and then click on next and enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, then go for forgot password so that you can reset or recover, or you can also go for other ways to sign in so that you can get some options to sign into your account. But if you remember your password, enter it and then click on sign in, which is here on the bottom right. And if you want to stay signed in, then click on yes. But if you don't want to stay signed in, then click on no. And that's it. That's how you log into your Hotmail email account, which is your Outlook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.